Okay, welcome back. Let's get a quick handle on what's happening in the world of commodities. Manisha Gupta is joining in. Manisha, what's the one commodity you're tracking today?
Well, I'm looking at energy as a sector because, the inflation concerns are really back. It's not just the food as a sector which seems to be surging in sense of prices, but the energy prices have been on the higher side as well. Starting with the crude oil prices, and we are trading at around 3-week highs onto this one. The prices did gain 2% overnight, and we have seen 4 weeks of gains already into the market. $83 a barrel of a high is what we saw in the New York session yesterday, and we're trading around those levels even at this point in time. Two major factors. One is the tight global supply, and the second is the firm Chinese demand is what is keeping the prices at a 3-month highs. Starting with the global supply first, and remember, Russia and OPEC and allies have deepened their output cuts for the month of July, and they're following it furthermore for the month of August as well. And the markets do believe that in this quarter and the next as well, you could be looking at tightness coming in. And if the demand comes in from China, that could further support prices. There is geopolitical premium also building up as fighting in Russia and Ukraine escalates, and that premium is into the prices also. China, in the meanwhile, is looking to increase further in liquidity injections into the private projects there. Citi, that has led to Citi coming out with a report suggesting that for this quarter, the third quarter of calendar year, $83 a barrel is what they're estimating as an average price for the Brent markets there. And then it is also going to be about the U.S. inventories, which may show a decline. That data comes in today and tomorrow. And what also comes in today and tomorrow is the U.S. Fed meeting. The two-day meeting kickstarts today, and we will hear the guidance and the outcome tomorrow evening. While the 25 basis point of a rate hike has been factored in, it's really going to be about the guidance going forward that the street will be watching out for. And then you have the European Central Bank meeting that comes in on Thursday. So the next 3 days is going to be quite eventful. Not just crude. If you look at the natural gas prices, we have seen them trading at near one-year highs. There's increase in demand. There is decline in inventories, and those are supportive factors there. Take a look at what the prices have done on a weekly and a monthly basis then. And this is a sector that seems to be really surging for the month of July here. So for the week, we are up anywhere between 2 to 8%. As you can see, whether it's Brent, gasoline, heating oil, Urals oil is Russian oil, which has seen 6% of gain on a week basis and 17% up for the month of July as well. And that's exactly what the month of July has brought in for you. 6 to 20% of gains is what we've seen coming in for the energy markets for this month.
All right, Manisha, thanks very much for that. So that's basically the commodities picture. Let's move on and talk about